this is Natalie, and I'm doing animals, like the sound of them. So let's get started. Okay, I'm doing cat. Meow, meow. Like that. Now we're moving on to dog. Now, duck. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Now I'm moving on to cow. Moo, moo. Now I am moving on to horse. No, no.